Today's story is about a murder suspect, a sheriff, and a Supreme Court case that asked a strange question. Can a police officer be punished for arresting a criminal who is carrying the mail? The year was 1868. A man in Kentucky was wanted for murder. A warrant had been issued for his arrest, and law enforcement officers were searching for him. The suspect worked as a mail carrier. His job was to transport mail from one place to another. One day, Sheriff Kirby found him. The sheriff had a choice. He could let the suspect continue delivering the mail and wait until later to make the arrest. Or he could arrest him immediately. Sheriff Kirby chose to make the arrest. Most people would think that was the end of the story. After all, the sheriff was simply doing his job. Welcome to Once Upon a Case, because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. But then an unexpected problem appeared. Because the suspect had been carrying the mail when he was arrested, the mail was delayed. Federal officials pointed to a law that made it illegal to interfere with or delay the delivery of the mail. Their argument was simple. By arresting the mail carrier, Sheriff Kirby had delayed the mail. Did that mean the sheriff had broken the law? The case eventually reached the United States Supreme Court. The justices thought about what the law was really meant to do. Was Congress trying to protect the mail? Or was Congress trying to protect murder suspects from being arrested while carrying the mail? The answer seemed obvious. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of Sheriff Kirby. The court explained that the law was meant to protect the mail, not protect criminals from arrest. Arresting a murder suspect was not a crime, even if it caused the mail to be delayed. The justices warned that interpreting the law any other way would lead to an absurd result. Otherwise, a criminal could avoid arrest simply by carrying a bag of mail. The decision became famous for a principle still used today. Laws should be interpreted with common sense, not in a way that produces ridiculous results. And that's the story of a sheriff who arrested a murder suspect. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, watch this case next.